Hey guys, I'm Alicia.
And I'm Susan.
And today we're making wine charms. Susan,
Alicia.
have you ever been to a party or just like a game? You're watching the game at someone's house and they give you a glass of wine and then someone steals it?
Like, it probably happens to me every single time.
Well, you know what? No one's
I
going to
hate
steal
that when that
your
happens.
wine anymore if
Okay.
you have your own charm on it. So if someone comes and tries, nope, that's mine, that's the bee. I have the bee.
The bee is mine. Ooh, look!
Yeah.
Oh, look how cute these are. I can
You
have
can
the,
say
I
yours
can
is
have
the
the owl. That's cute.
Or the
I
elephant.
want the flower actually. I like
Okay.
the flower the best.
Well, you can have two glasses.
Why not?
And you know
Mine
which
is
ones
the
are
flower
yours.
and the bee.
Okay.
Right.
I'll take
Okay.
the elephant and the... Yay, mine was the bee.
Okay, fine. I'll have the flower and the owl.
Okay, I'll
Okay.
take the bee and the elephant.
Perfect.
Okay, so this is just memory wire, ring memory wire, but you don't have to use it for a ring. Take it, make sure that it's overlapped
Okay.
because you've got to make a little loop and a
So
little...
it's overlapped just by like about
just
half
like-
an inch or so?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it looks like this.
All right. Got it.
That's it.
Okay.
And then you'll take this little guy right here. And this is made from
I love
memory
that finishing
wires.
plier, that memory wire finishing plier. That's a good one.
And you're going to take one side of it and roll it back towards you. So it looks like that.
Really, I have to tell you, you could use a round nose plier to do this. You probably better off to use this finishing plier though because it
grips it
just
really
really
good.
grips it really well, and and memory wire is made out of that steel. So using your round nose plier, while it's possible, it's a little bit more difficult. Okay, so just like that. Did I do
Yes.
that correctly? Okay.
And then on the other side, you'll either take a chain nose or a flat nose, and you'll just come get the end, little small piece at the end, and push it straight up in a 90-degree angle.
Oh, okay.
And that's what's going to hold it in place. Boom. And then you'll take one of these awesome
Wow,
charms.
that's so easy.
So easy, but it's a great gift. Boom. And you just slide your little charm right on
You
there
didn't take my flower, did you? There we go. It's my little flower.
and close it off. So when you put it around your drink,
Right.
the stem, boop, and you latch it on and hey.
Perfect. Nobody can take mine. Yeah, that's awesome. That's
And
so easy
so
too.
cute
Gosh.
to give these away as four and
Yes.
fours on like a cardstock paper with a cool little saying.
Yeah, like be my
Don't
Valentine.
whine.
Don't whine.
Drink your wine.
So I don't drink wine, be mine.
Yeah, there you go.
Cute. Thanks so much for showing me how to do this. I actually have a party to go to that I'm gonna make a set of these and take and give them as like a hostess
It's
gift.
perfect for
But
that.
I wonder if you think it's bad if I take it as the gift and then I use them.
Well, no, because then you can show off how cute they are, and then whoever gets it's gonna be like, gosh, I really need to have her make me some more.
Exactly. Thanks so much for watching. If you guys would like to pick up some supplies like the ones we work with today, check out the links down below. What would you put on your wine charm? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ring that bell. And now that you know a little bit about making wine glass charms, you can say,
I made this.